Talking Trees Wisdom. In a small village, there lived a majestic tree named Tara. Tara could talk and shared her wisdom with the villagers. She taught them about the importance of kindness, honesty, and respect for nature. One day, a boy named Rohan cut down a branch from Tara's neighbor tree. Tara saw Rohan's actions and gently scolded him. Rohan apologized and promised to plant a new tree. Tara forgave him and taught Rohan about responsibility and taking care of nature. Moral: the story teaches kids. 1. Respect nature. Take care of trees and the environment. 2. Apologize and forgive. Say sorry when you make a mistake and forgive others. 3. Responsibility. Take care of your actions and their consequences.